Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 hardtop with a 427 and a 4-speed with bucket seats and a console. And this one sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $36,000, which I thought was a pretty good deal. It's a nice car. Still had the red stripe tires, which they all came with when they were new back in '69. I notice he has the 1967 small flat hubs center caps for him, like they had on the Corvettes and the Camaros in '67. The SS 427 was RPO code Z24, and in 1969 that cost you $422.35. And for that price, you got the L36 390 horse 427 big block engine with 10 and a quarter to 1 compression, with a quadrajet carburetor, a cast iron intake, oval port heads, hydraulic cam, and cast aluminum pistons with forged steel rods and a crankshaft, and a two-bolt main block. And you also got the underhood dress-up items, the chrome valve covers and a chrome air cleaner lid. And then as far as transmissions, they came standard with a 3-speed. And then you can get the Turbo 400 automatic, or you can get an M20 wide ratio 4-speed or an M21 close ratio 4-speed. And I'm not exactly sure which one this car had. Didn't have any seller comments on it, so I didn't know the mileage or any of the other particulars. But like I said, it was a real nice car, and especially being red, bright red with the red interior, with the bucket seats and a 4-speed. It had all the right stuff to catch your eye, that's for sure. And still had, like I said, the red stripe tires that they came with new, G70 by 15 was the size of them. But as far as the numbers go, they made 2,455 of them in 1969. I think out of that, there was less than 300 of them were convertibles. Not quite sure of the breakdown as far as transmissions and that. I couldn't find those numbers anywhere. But they're pretty rare no matter how you look at it. The L36 427 put out 390 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. So had plenty of power to move this guy around, that's for sure. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Chevrolet Impala SS 427 hardtop in red with a red interior with a 4-speed that sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $36,000. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you would share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.